Okay, hi, welcome to another show of Cooking with Yvie. It's gonna be summer soon. One of my favorite things I like to eat in summer is hot dogs. I'm gonna show you how to make a really good chili dog. Okay, this is hot. You need to be cooking on the stove. If you're a little kid, you have to be with your mommy and daddy. And if you're a big kid, I don't think you have to be with your mommy and daddy. Okay, the first thing you need is 4 tablespoons of butter. It's melting up. Second thing you need is 1 sliced onion. While the onion cooks, let's look at the spices. We have here paprika and chili powder, dried mustard, cinnamon, and allspice. Okay, the onion's cooked. Now you need to pour the spices. Is it all in there? Nope. Oh man, this burns my hand. Now I'm gonna put this in. Okay, carefully mix this slowly. Okay, we're gonna use a pound of ground beef. Oh man. Okay, we're gonna brown the ground beef. Okay, after a few minutes, you turn it to low, and then you let it sit for about a half hour. Okay, our meat is done, and it's nice and dark. Okay, it's all done. Now you make sure you use celery salt, and that's all. Thank you for watching my show. I'm gonna go eat my hot dog now. Bye.